Hey everyone, today we'll be showing step by step how board certified master arborist TJ planted this kwanzan cherry tree. First, pick out a tree. We went to a local nursery to select our tree. To help in the planting process, we also brought mushroom compost, mulch, a trowel, a shovel, and a pickaxe. Choose a planting site. We chose in front of this picture window a few feet away from the house and any driveways, sidewalks, or plants. Dig a hole slightly wider than the size of the tree's pot. Take the tree out from the pot and cut 4 straight lines across the soil to break up and loosen the dirt and roots. This minimizes the risk of stem girdling roots. You can also optionally clean up any roots on the surface. Place the tree in the hole and check if the hole depth is adequate. You'll want a couple extra inches around the circumference of the root ball to pack in compost and dirt. We also like to plant most trees a few inches above the surrounding ground level, as the tree could settle over the next couple of years. Make adjustments to the hole if needed. Afterwards, mix up the mushroom compost with the existing soil using approximately a 1:1 blend. Fill in the hole with the soil blend while keeping the tree straight and upright. Compact the soil blend just a little so that way the tree is stable during windy weather. Water the soil. Apply a couple inches of mulch on top of the soil. Keep the trunk exposed and not covered by mulch in order to minimize the risk of stem girdling roots. Water the mulch. And voila! A beautiful and newly planted kwanzan cherry tree. The first year is vital for the tree's survival, so make sure that it does not lean over, that it does not get chewed on or rubbed on by any animals like deer, and that it gets properly watered, which could be once to twice per week depending on the season, your climate, and the way the tree is packaged. Huge shout out to TJ, Cindy, and Mark for donating and planting this tree for our coworker who recently lost a loved one. The kwanzan cherry tree was her favorite tree.